Hey everyone, today in this episode, I am going to show you how to navigate the evolution of content marketing in the age of AI, where we will dive deep into the ever changing landscape of content marketing and explore how it is evolving in the age of AI. The landscape of content marketing has truly undergone a remarkable transformation, one that is marked by continuous and rapid evolution. It is a journey where what was once considered the low-hanging fruit of opportunity has now been meticulously plucked by marketers in search of the next big breakthrough. The days of simply churning out top-of-funnel content for high-competition keywords have given way to a new era, where the emphasis is firmly placed on constant iteration and fearless exploration into uncharted territories. In the midst of this dynamic evolution, AI, short for artificial intelligence, has emerged as a driving force, not so much a disruptor, but rather an individual ally. AI is the quiet hand that enhances content creation, making it not only more efficient, but also remarkably accessible. It is becoming the cornerstone of modern marketing strategies, empowering professionals to automate tasks that were once time-consuming and resource-intensive. The versatility of AI in content marketing is outstanding. It steps in as research assistant, effortlessly providing data and insights that fuel the creative process. It becomes a masterful formatter, ensuring that content is presented in the most engaging and appealing way possible. And perhaps most intriguingly, AI even takes on the role of a video content producer, generating captivating visuals and animations that captivate audiences. This transformative power of AI allows marketers to shift their focus to what truly matters, crafting content that offers unique perspectives and insightful narratives. By relieving them of the mundane task, AI frees up time and mental space for marketers to infuse their work with creativity and value, making content that truly resonates in an increasingly competitive digital landscape. Looking ahead, the future of content marketing in the age of AI holds great promise. Those who can produce high-quality content at scale will be the winners in this evolving landscape. AI is changing how search results are presented, and adapting to these changes is essential. Quality content with strong points of view, humor, and entertainment will always have a place in the digital world. Being an original thinker and pushing the boundaries of what's possible will continue to be highly valued in content marketing. To sum things up, AI is changing content marketing, but the basics of creating great content and having original ideas are still really important. As we move ahead, content marketers who use AI to help them while keeping their unique voices and thoughts will do well in this new time. As we go into this new time, it is clear that using AI can be a big help. It can make things easier, like finding the right audience and making content better, but it is also important to remember that being yourself and having your own ideas are still super important. In this new time, the key to success is using AI as a tool, while still being you and thinking in your own way. So, as we go forward, remember that even though AI is changing things, it is still your creativity, realness, and original thoughts that will keep you on the right track in content marketing. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of how to navigate the evolution of content marketing in the age of AI. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video where I will introduce how to master marketing at the intersection of art, science, and AI. Thank you for watching, and I will see you until the next one.